everything changes. Hello everybody, welcome back to Go To Hydroponics here in lovely Wisconsin, of course. As you see behind me, my tomatoes are still growing, but they're getting wilty because it's getting towards the end of the season. Here in lovely Wisconsin, it's getting down to the 50s, so right now it's actually pretty chilly out and it's 11 in the morning, so it's getting there. And lately the mosquitoes here are ridiculously bad. We get a ton of rain and the freaking mosquitoes, like I'm currently covered in mosquito spray at 11 in the morning just so I don't get eaten alive. It's that bad. So I've still been picking tomatoes, still been adding nutrients to my tomatoes and peppers. They're still growing oh so great. We canned, well I should say my mom canned like 25 quarts of tomato, between tomato salsa and tomato sauce. So been good production. They're still growing great. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour and show you what's going on. So yeah, now that we're finally getting towards the end of the season, I can take a break from the outside stuff and constant upkeep, and it's like okay, finally get a break for once, and hopefully I'll be doing some inside stuff. So let's show you guys a tour though. I know you guys have been missing out lately. Not missing out, I've been missing out. How about that? So as you see, there are some red ones left yet. There's some red ones down there. A few red ones. They're actually getting pretty bad though because they're getting really cracked. So when they get cracked like that, they get a lot of water in them and they don't last and they fall apart super easy and rot really easy. So basically we're getting towards the end of the season. That's about it for the year of tomatoes. Now, if you go over to the peppers are doing fantastic yet, but I want to take them in before the frost hits, which I'm assuming has to be coming soon. As you can see, look at all the red. So the red, these are all serrano peppers. Remind me of like a devil's red. They're creepy, like a creepy red. Let's see if I can pick one. I'm gonna pick them all today anyways. Well, that was a whole cap, whatever. So look at that. Look at that beautiful red. Serrano peppers are, I would say, spicier than jalapeno. They have some like deep underlying heat is how I'd explain it. They are good, but damn, they provide some kick. So next down the line, I also have jalapenos, of course. I know what I'm doing with my camera. So we got jalapenos here. These are turning red as they're getting so ripe, which usually I don't let them turn red, but most of them are getting to be red now. Look how nice, pretty color that is. And you're getting cracks in them, so it'll be nice and spicy. Jalapenos I like a lot. I like doing bacon wrapped jalapenos. Go over here to another plant, and this is my jinky string thing to make sure they stand up because they've been getting a lot of storms and stuff, so I thought I'd better tie them up, otherwise they'll all fall down and break like my habaneros over there did, which kind of upset me. But yeah, so these are all going to be picked, and I'm pretty sure I'll be closing down the system pretty damn soon. But so 2 jalapeno plants, 2 serrano plants, and 1 habanero plant, and then some other pepper. I don't know what it is. Oh, okay, as you see my little orange peppers here, these things are nasty. They are spicy. I almost regret growing them because it's like, what am I supposed to do with these things? You guys got any freaking ideas? These things are so spicy. They're not even close to a jalapeno. These little orange looking things, they are nasty. And I have a lot of them. Like one of these will count like 5 of those freaking serranos at once. Like, yeah, so they are spicy. Spicy, spicy, spicy. But what happened to this plant is it got really big, which if you look at this, here, I'm gonna bring you guys closer. So if you look at the stem, which you can't really see. So you look at the stem, it's actually really big. It's like 3/4 inch in diameter, if not close to 1 inch. But if you look up here, look at this, it's split. 2 of my things split, one went that way, one went this way. I should have put tomato cages around these things to keep them up. So that was a definite battle, and then I was kind of salty about that, but they're still growing. But it's getting time to pick them. Season's getting closer to ending, and yeah, getting closer to picking. So let's go on the backside of the tomatoes here. So the thing about these tomatoes that really amazes me is that they're still growing. Like, they still want to grow. They're sending off new shoots. Right here. There's brand new growth growing up. Like, if we had a longer season here in Wisconsin, like, I could keep these growing for a long time and they'd probably be another 20 feet higher. Like, this is all brand new growth with brand new buds. Here's baby little tomatoes starting out again. There's some bigger ones back there that are all freshly green. This is after I picked those 20 quarts of tomatoes we got, if not more. Because some are rotten, again, they're getting a little on the worst side. See how the plants are starting to wilt? Yeah, see that it's making my tomato quality go down very far. Talking about mosquitoes, I am currently getting, they still come by me every once in a while, so I kind of got to swat them away, which there's one, see, of course. Oh, wow, they are kind of out here, actually. And the other thing is, it's really muddy in my garden, so like I'm currently walking on wooden boards just to not get my shoes muddy. When I pick the peppers, I'll be putting on rubber boots and I'll be picking everything in here because the quality, again, like I was saying, the quality is not coming out that great, and it's just getting me a pain, and the season's almost over, so it all kind of works out for itself. But everything's working great so far. I've had to fill them up every once in a while, not very often, because now again it's getting cooler out, so they're not sucking as much juice. There was one day I had to put a good amount of water in, and I was kind of surprised. I think that both reservoirs are half full right now. Air pumps are still running, which, to be honest, I kind of slacked off on how I did the wiring and did all that, so they're just really just sitting in the dirt. Every once in a while I'll pick them up and they'll be like sunk in the mud, and I'm like, they still work. Not saying it's ideal, but they still work. So maybe I'll show you guys my air pumps. I found a sprinkler box on sale at my local hardware store that I got, and I was like, hey, I'll put that under there to keep them waterproof instead of the tote or whatever I had them under. Oh, I had them under some boards. That was pretty poor decision. So let's pick this up. Yeah, as you see, they're, one, it's noisier. Two, they are just sitting under, this is not very, you don't do this, people. Don't. I have this hooked up to a GFCI outlet by the house, so it's not like it's just wired in hot, but there is some protection there, but this is not ideal. One, it ruins the air pumps. Two, it ruins your electrical strip. Like that thing's gonna be junk. It's been rolling on the mud for the last 4 months of summer. Yeah, hopefully next year will be in that box in gravel, so I don't have to deal with this nonsensory. Reservoir is still about half full yet, so we'll be good for a while. And I'm pretty sure the same with the peppers. Yep, peppers are pretty full yet too. They haven't been sucking much juice at all. So everybody, thanks for watching, and hopefully it'll be another outside video, or it'll be an inside. I don't know, we'll see how the seasons go here. Keep you guys updated. Over and out till next time.